So I'm going to upload this little bonus video here of getting this little lawnmower running. It's been sitting outside in the rain with no cover on it and nothing on top of the carb. And look at down inside the carb there, I got leaves and stuff. The recoil won't go back, but the motor turns over and it has compression. So we're gonna drain the oil out of it and everything and make a little series video here for you guys on getting this thing running. Hopefully we can get it running. So pretty cool little mower. It's got electric start with the pull start. See if there's any oil in it. Very little bit on the tip, but it looks clean. Gas. There's gas in there. It doesn't smell very good, but there's gas in there, so we'll see what we can do. So they got the lid off with the recoil and the gas tank off, and the magneto is, or magnet on here or whatever, is pretty dirty, so we're gonna have to sand it. And Brando here is gonna take the carburetor off, but first he's got to get the muffler out of the way.
Wasn't the right size.
No? And then we got to get the transmission unstuck because it won't shift gears, it's froze. So I went to go take this carb apart now that it's off, and it started dumping rusty water out of it. Look at, there's some on the table there, some of the crap that came out. It's all over the towel because I was drying it up. Let's get this thing apart. See what we're working with. I don't know. So we got it all tore apart and we got it pretty much clean. I mean, it's a little greasy still, but it's way better than what it was. So all the parts laying there. Just gotta put her back together. I think the worst of it is this float bowl, but we should be okay. I think it'll work. I've had worse. I think we got the float bowl fixed pretty good. The ship's moving pretty good, so there you go. All back together. The magneto sanded.
Yeah, got it set.
Perfect.
Didn't even have to choke it, it fired right up. I had to hot wire the ignition down here and twist the two blue wires together, and then you just touch the white and the black together, and it turns the starter. So when you want to shut it off, you gotta pull those two blue wires off each other or choke it out. Let's see if it moves. Get that other one off of there.
A little bit of elbow grease and some hard work. You got yourself free riding lawnmower. Looks like the rear axle's bent like a motherfucker. Look at the rear axle. Look at the rear tire. It's spinning. Look at the rear tire over here when you're driving. Watch it, it wobbles. Oh, you break the chain. You're burning the belt. Put it in the lower gear. Some bitch even most. It's a win for today, guys.